Hey, good evening. Welcome to Trade Talk. This is going to be a quick video about a few stocks that I'm watching, starting with Airbnb. Airbnb towards the close, price remained accepted above 154.85. 154.85 is my current balance high level. Um, and I wanted to see whether it defends this level or it comes back into the balance zone. So towards the end, I could see that the price dropped to 154.68, but then certainly within, I think, last 5 minutes of the market, it went back above 154.9. And if in the next few days it continues to defend 155 or 154.8 level, then that would tell me that the buyers are stepping in, and this is most likely the formation of a big size bid. And from there on, I would look towards a reversal to 168 or 170 level. Next, we move on to PLTR. PLTR actually had a really good day. If we look at the price towards the close, the price remained accepted above this YTD anchored VWAP. And one noticeable thing is that we had a volume spike. So all in all, a really good sign. And we could see a move towards 27.5. And then once it clears that level, then the next target is 30 and then 35. Next, we'll move on to Disney. Disney, earlier today, we saw a break above the YTD anchored VWAP. But then towards the second half, the price got rejected and came below this level. And now it's basically continuing with its VWAP squeeze. So VWAP squeeze is something I defined as when the price starts ranging between two VWAPs. The second one is from 519. Let's draw that. So as you can see, there are two blue lines and the price has started to range between it, and this is what I call VWAP squeeze. So really what I'm looking for is the price to clear well above. And what I mean by that is open and close above the white year-to-date anchored VWAP. And for me to give some sort of confidence and confirmation for a move towards 190 and 200 mark. And last but not least, let's switch to Nike. I don't have a position in Nike, but I wanted to present this purely from the perspective of understanding price action in conjunction with dark pool levels. So I also track dark pool or any kind of order flow, big size order flow like dark pool prints or options flow. And today I saw some significant dark pool prints, about $120 million coming at 167.55. And I started noticing, okay, how the price would really react to this dark pool level. And to give you so first of all, let's update our anchored VWAP starting from the gap up. And this is June 25. So the question is like, this is what our anchored VWAP looks like from the gap up. Now, as you can see that the price went through a liquidation today. The question is, will it hold above anchored VWAP, or will there be some sort of size selling, which probably will most likely can bring it down to 147 or somewhere around this region because there's less volume, right? So that's the test of time, and only the coming days will tell that. But what I really want to draw your attention towards is the intraday, because that's where it really gets interesting. So, right, I think around 10, this dark pool print came and I started watching it. And then all of a sudden, actually, let's go further um, lower in the time frame at 65 minutes. And this would make it more clear. So, really, in the first 30 minutes of the market, the dark pool print came, and that's the reaction of the price, which tells me that it was a sell order. And from there on, it started to range in intraday. Uh, Now, has it ended? I don't know yet. Only the next few days will tell me how how big of a impact this dark pool print is going to have. The reason I wanted to present this is because I hear a lot of chatter about dark pool prints, and certainly when people see more than $100 million, they start reacting. Big size flow. It does not necessarily mean it's a buy order. It could be a sell order as well, and always have to give it sufficient time to see how the price react to to those levels. Now, if you are not a day trader, if you're a swing trader, then please give it 30 minutes or 1 hour, because nothing will change for you, and rather you would actually get better clarity um, to make better assessments about the dark pool level. So I'm a swing trader. I don't day trade, so I'm more than willing to sit out and see, okay, what really this sprint is about and what kind of impact it's going to create, which we saw today. So that's my bit about dark pools, and that's all I got for you today. If you have any questions, any feedback, any critique, please feel free to drop in the comments. And again, this is not a financial advice. None of the trades that I mentioned are any financial advice. This is only for educational purpose, and I always urge you to do your due diligence. Thank you so much. Have a good night, and we'll see you tomorrow.